Okay, sagutin natin to. Evaluate x squared plus y squared with respect to x from 0 to 2y and with respect to y from 1 to 2. So, gagawin muna natin is kopyahin ko muna x squared plus y squared dx dy. Gagawin muna natin is integrate with respect to x from 0 to y. So, from 0 to y, x cubed all over 3 plus dagdagan natin ng x dy, di man natin inalis. So, from 1 to 2, palitan natin lahat ng 2y kasi yun yung upper limit niya. So, magiging 2y cubed all over 3 plus x, yung x magiging 2y pala, y squared dy. Okay, magiging 8y cubed all over 3 plus 2y cubed. Pwede natin i-simplify pero mas maganda kung i-recalculate na natin, mas bilis. 8 cubed over 3 plus 2 cubed. That is 35 over 2. Letter A.